Hello everyone. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use variance calculation measures in table components to implement year-over-year or month-over-month comparisons. Let's take a look at this chart. This table shows sales revenue data with company and product category information along with their respective sales revenue. We want to add a new column for month-over-month sales revenue comparison. How do we do this? Let's look at the Measures section here. We can add a new calculated measure by selecting Add Calculation. Here we have a variance measure option. Let's click on it. We can give it a name, for example, MOM for month-over-month. For the measure, we need to select our revenue measure. Then we need to select our time dimension. This will show the comparison options A and B. For month-over-month calculation, A should be the current period's revenue. For B, there's an option called Previous and Periods. For month-over-month, we select 1. For year-over-year comparison, we would enter 12. It's very flexible. Here we'll select 1, so it can automatically calculate month-over-month. If we want our month-over-month comparison to show as a percentage rather than just an amount, we can check Calculate as Percentage. We can keep the default settings here and click OK. Now we can see that we've added a month-over-month column. Now, if we select February, we can see the month-over-month data comparing February to January. Similarly, you can use this method to calculate year-over-year comparisons. That concludes our lesson for today. Thank you for watching.